Hi kids, I'm your friend Charanya. What we are going to do today? We are going to craft a mouse hand puppet. Shall we start? I'll tell you what are the materials needed to make a mouse puppet. You need a A4 size sheet. In this sheet, I painted grey color. I painted only on one side. See? One side paint is enough. If you don't have this color, don't worry. You can use your crayons or oil pastels, anything to make it color. If you have the color paper, use it. Else, don't worry. You use white paper and color it. I used chart today because this will be little stiff, and you need a scissor and a Fevicol and some more color papers. Let me show you how to fold for hand puppet. Turn the paper upside down and fold it like this. Then again fold this part inside like this. Okay. Now turn this paper upside down and fold it half. Okay. Now your paper is like this. Now what you are going to do, take this top sheet and fold it like this. See, you have some more sheet left here. Do the same thing on the other side. Okay. See, now your hand puppet is ready. Okay. Now for mouse, to give more shape of the face, what we are going to do, top sheet you take like this, and this edge you make a small fold inside. Let me show you. Keep the paper like this and give a small fold on the edge. Do the same on the other side. Okay. You do the same thing on this side too. Okay, this gives more shape. Now we are going to cut half circle to keep as an ears. See, you do a cut like this. Okay. Like this. Okay. See, I have already made a ears. See, ears. Inside ears, I have given pink color sheet. If you have that, you use, else no problem. See, I have made 2 ears, and in the white paper I made two eyes. And this is our mouse nose with mustache. This all things are just I cut the paper in that shape and sticked it. Okay, nothing more else. And this is tongue. I'll show you where to stick all these parts. Use a glue. Stick the ears like this. And the next ear like this. Okay, ears. Now we'll stick the eyes. And the next one. Okay. Then our mustache. Okay. This tongue part, we are going to stick this under here. Okay, that's it. Our mouse hand puppet is ready. Let me show you how this will work. I hope it is nice. You can enjoy the hand puppet. Hope you are happy with the craft. Do try it at home and let me know how it is through mail. Okay? Bye.